It's working. Okay. Hi everyone. We're going to go through our testing pattern for items 5 through 10. So the first thing we want to show is that when we press the can you zoom in a little bit more? Oh, we need to start the program first. So we're initiating the program here, so it's picked up the 3 elements in the database. Okay, so now we're going to go take a look at the board, and you can see whenever I press a button that the red LED blinks. And now we're going to demonstrate that whenever we put an RFID on the RFID board, that the RFID LED becomes green, and on screen you'll see that it's registered the RFID tag. I'm going to change the RFIDs now, and you'll see that when I remove the RFID tag that the LED goes off. Doesn't seem to like that one. There we go. So it's registered a new RFID tag, and we'll remove it. We'll try the paddle again, and you can see it's registered a third RFID tag. I'll remove it, and the LED has gone off. So now we'll begin testing with the nail. It's a bit stubborn here. It doesn't always like to come on.
Take it further away. And back.
There we go. Okay, so now, it's registered it, and we'll begin by entering the correct password, which is 1996. And if you can follow the screen, I'll try and entry accepted, which is exactly as we had hoped. Now I'm going to press the hashtag, and that should reset everything. And I'm going to take the nail off and put it back on, and you'll see it's registered it again. And I'm going to enter in the incorrect password, and you'll see that it's denied us. By pressing the hashtag key, I'm going to clear the settings. And now I'm going to reapply the nail-shaped RFID, and I'm going to demonstrate that the asterisk button works in clearing the pin. And so you've seen on screen that I entered 11 and then asterisk, and now I'm going to enter the correct password, and it worked. Excellent. So I'm going to press the hashtag symbol. And now I'm going to try the circle. Oops. Let's try. Okay. And we've got a new RFID tag on the screen. And now we're going to try the correct password for it. Oh, wrong password. My apologies. We'll just reset that using the hashtag key. And try it again. Was it 1985?
1985, yep.
There accepted. Bravo. And we'll reset. The production quality here is staggering. Now we'll try the paddle-shaped RFID.
Okay.
And we'll try the wrong password. Oh, entry denied. It was not 222. In fact, it's 1977. We'll try that. We'll try the correct one now. Bravo, it works. Now we're gonna try it. We're gonna show you all that it works with the third, even when the fourth character being pressed is the asterisk, it'll work. So we'll do 1, 1, 1, and then we'll clear it, and now we'll enter the correct one. Ah, damn it. All right, we'll try that again.
I'm the Oracle and I approve this message.
No, again. Bastards. Oh.
We're attempting 7 here. It says
Bravo.
test to ensure that a keyboard is entry before the
Okay, there we go.
We lost our screen.